No, I did honestly. I didn't really feel the need to be two politicians in
You are more busy
at
with
the
the
same
bikes and
at
all
the
those
same time.
things.
I was always interested in business,
Yeah.
and that was my background. I did my bachelor's in business administration, and of course I did law as well at Goemkarponn College. I didn't complete, but I went into law, and being our घराकडे तुम्ही पावल्यार आमच्या घरान सकयल्या बेसमेंटाचेर ऑफिस आसा.
Yeah.
So whether you like it or not, whether you liked politics or didn't like politics, you had to walk through a political environment every day. So that kind of made you immune to the entire system. That kind of allowed me to be passively trained.
Yeah.
I was not actively in politics. I always said that I wanted to be a businessman. I wanted to, get into automobiles, and automobile dealerships was my passion. That is what I wanted to do. And
And you got into that.
father was always supportive, and he wanted me to be confident with what I wanted to do.